making a black clot New York City. Vendetta. And who is a vendetta? No pussy test. Remember me telling you that. You listen a couple of days, boy, yeah? Eh? The line on a long time up there, so. Around.
A few moments later.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them?
I don't know Media Fox now. Yeah man, you know what things that. So, Alkaline about to set history. Youngest dancehall artist to sell out a solo arena. You understand? Barclays Center in New York. Trust me people. It's a great look for the youth. May I tell you, anybody bad mind this, or I try discredit this, or I try find a bag of excuse it for you to make it look like Satan and a greatness the youth do. Yeah man, go one side man. Go one side. Cause at the end of the day, everybody's supposed to be happy. If you see a young youth that do this, you understand? This is a great look for the young artists. May I tell you people. You see it? Cause look here now. If I tell you, yo, it's a great look, people. You see it? Basically, see it there? Basically, this sold out. It's sold out long time. If you are event promoter, you will understand. A chicken amount of ticket left. That me I tell you. Chicken amount of ticket left. Maybe less than 1,000 ticket left. Is it? Yeah. Every kitchens and corners. Now watch the resale. Real sale. People just sell to make money and get back on next one. You see me? Yeah. Them a resale and then maybe when you reach to the near date or so. You see? But people, I forget Alkaline a round of applause. May I tell you people. I forget the youth round of applause. Yo, that's what I'm telling you people. You see in a life, you see fight where I get, just only make it get stronger. You understand? Don't watch a fight. Just use it as a motivation for do better. You see, because if you say yo, the youth are the youngest dancehall artist for do this, and him get the most fight in the game without even doing nobody nothing from the get-go. Trust me, people. And the worst thing, people, the youth they did it last year, You understand? With some other artists. See? Remember, them see Alkaline last year. I see him Barclays. And see the youth come back again. So I tell you can't stop greatness, All of the artists, them say, Hot and Alkaline fall off and this your artist and Ray. None of them now do this. You understand? You can't hide greatness, bro, and you can't fight greatness. Them same fall off from 2016. Well, if I this a fall off artist, but I want to be a fall off artist too. Cause if fall off artist a sell out arena, may I tell the people so see stage there. Yeah. You don't know the little batch so. The side of the stage so. So I don't know how them are get that view there, but people are buy it and people will like a week away. Basically. We're like a week away from the show. You see me? See there? They may have some little rice grain left. You see it? Trust me, the youth here in Alkaline. You see it? Because basically them patch over here so it's like, very side view. You see me? It's like basically behind the stage, you see me? But people are by it, see me, because they want to turn out and certain things. You see me? But people, it's a great look for the artist. But nah lie, I tell you this. You see me? And you have to congratulate the vendetta people them. Because them stood with the artists. Them really stood with the artist people all over the bag of fight and everything. That's why when him do the interview in the UK and the girl asks him, say, yo, who inspire you to carry on your career? And him say, yo, him fans. And this is what the man talk about. You understand? This is what the youth are talk about. Because all of the people who say him fall off, all of the people who say him do this, all of the people, you know what, who never let him down? Him fans them. You understand? That's how I tell the people. You see the bag of hype and this and that. Now watch that, people. You understand? Because I see him artists where them say fall off. Look what him a do. Him come prove say him have a second biggest fan base in a dancehall. Because this youth don't in the media like that. Him not too, you understand? Him isolate himself from society, them say. But look what the youth a do. I remember the youth did there. Remember, you know? This a youth a there road for years. Him never lock up. And him did there in the Barclays with, when name is a Vegas, them and Shensi and Elephant Man and some other artists. Last year. See? Youth have him new rules, you know. A keeping a Barclays seat there. People are come to see him. Them can't say nothing now. They only pass a little drama. How them all club themselves we keep it calm. Feel like me can conquer the world now. Feel like me can conquer the... How them sell out and turn in farmer. Think me woulda gonna. What them a go do now, when everything gone. Too late. To fight with nothing can work. People, I have to big up the artists for this. Remember me tell you this, people. You see it? I'm happy for the artists, I tell you. For that you me say that youth you go through and you know, for a youth where him don't even, it's like people just hate him because of our next person. Or just that. But when I rate with the youth just him not really watching the face, dog. You see me? When that's what I tell you, I look on them thing and I say, enough time, enough people that try fight and you just stay in a local one zone, bro. I tell you people. You see it? Because them can't hide greatness, bro. I tell you, what this what the youth are do? And they're not normal people. Because you know what? The youth did in a Barclays last year. And see the youth are come do it now. Because remember, you know, you must see a bag of thing last year and the youth say, alright, youth fall back this year now. And show them. So look here. My fans them there, my fans are come see. Watch your people. That youth here, I tell you people, that youth here great, dog. I tell you. You see me? What the youth I do, trust me. I tell you these people. I remember say Alkaline run through UK, run through New York, all of them look at thing, you know. You see me? Trust me, people. And if you see this, I tell you, I don't know, normal. You see me? You better be a fall off artist, people, and can sell out the Barclays. Don't be the hottest artist and the more consistent artist, and you can't do it. You see me? And remember this. This is the youth own show. You understand? And the youth own show this new rules. Partnership with Reggae Fest. You understand? New rules. You see me? People, when I forgot put up the clapping hands emoji in I comment. This is a great move for the artist. I tell you. I have to big up Alkaline team. Yeah man, Kerry and Kimi and you know? Yeah, and big up the artist himself. For more focused on him brand and I watch the haters. You see me? But people, it's a great look this. And people remember the album a drop soon, you know. You see me? The album a drop soon, so look out for that as well. You see me people? But so that you do, people are chewing though, you know, you know. A youth are great. All the seem there's a powerful youth and you don't even know. I just choose a youth when not too in the media like that. You understand? But the youth just know him powers, dog. I don't know normal these people. This sold out. I tell you. I mean nobody tell you no, this literally sold out. If you just check it. Literally sold out, people. You see me? Now watch them there. This sold out. This about, where do I call it? This about 96% sold out. May I tell you that? You hear that, people? Trust me. If you big up the artist, man. It's a great look. It's a great look. You see me? And people, a lot of things are going on in the dancehall space right now. And you know, them a lot of artists and certain little things. Let me tell you these people. You see, if you follow them people, yeah, you're not gonna reach that level. Yeah. I tell you, you're not gonna reach to that level, yeah, if you follow them people. Yeah. You see me? They might chat a bag of things in their ears. You see artists with them prep up with you about yo man consistent and drop a bag of hits and this. Him drop the most set of hits them. But we now see him do no solo arena headliner. Him not do it. All the man we do the most get so much hits in a short space of time, people. And him should not sell out all back to back, man. Back to back arena should not sell out right now, cause if you not say him get so much hits. You understand? Yeah, man. The way man get so much hits in a dancehall to rot it. I want mad man come out a claim when I sang them too much of hits him have. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, it's a great look for Alkaline. And, you know, Jano, watch it. They might look back at the back end there, so. The youth sell out Barclays to bombard. Jano, youth. Yo. Jano, Alka. You do it, youth. You do it. You understand? Yeah, man. I remember the speech that the youth make. And the youth stand by my words. The youth say, yo, you think me I go party and girl out my thing? And music, me say. And the youth always represent that. You understand? Because him not do the bagger. Gathering up and picture thing and all of them look thing there, you see me? Yeah, so the youth are do it. I tell you that, people, the youth are do it. You see me? Youth are do it. If you look on this, people, this gone a lead. Gone a lead. Because there's a percentage. If you want promoter, you will know what I'm saying. You understand? This amount of ticket we left, sell out already. Money don't make back. Long time. Them have some ticket where by the week for done them are gone. Remember, no people, pre this. If you see all of this now, by the time you go down and, you know, everything ready. Is it? So yeah, people, this sell out, man. This sell out. Sell out like anti-folded, man. I tell you that, people. The youth great. The youth great. Me I tell you, them can't stop that youth, yeah. Them can't stop in. I know, people, you know me rated Alka. Him not do the bag of chatting. Him just show up people. Expose them. That's how him do. You see me? Him just stay in his zone and just do him thing, people. Me I tell you that. The youth great. You see it? I'm going to big up the vendetta people and for go out there and buy the ticket and support the youth. And you know, him have an album forward. Trust me, that's gonna be epic. You see it? Yeah, man. So, people, go get them ticket here, you know. I tell you this, you know. Go get them ticket here because I feel like the day on the show, you're not gonna get none. So make sure you get them ticket here fast and fast. Cause yo, watch it, people. Look, yo, I'll be a rice grain a ticket left, see ya? Watch it. You not say nothing right here, so. Nothing you not see, so, you know. Everything gone, you know. Only thing you see right there, so one, you see a ticket, you know. Him and them buy out everything, yeah, so. Watch it. Everything. You understand? Trust me, people. This I gotta be, and not even that, people. You see how the crowd, the man I got turn in there come like Sunday church. Me I tell you, Sunday church, the youth have a turn in a Barclays. Me I tell you that. Yeah, man. Mad. Yo, me I tell you, people, and no joke thing me I talk about, you know. No joke thing, people. You see me? The youth sell out the arena to rotted. After I'm there in the last year, man come back and show them, say, yo, me are the man. That me I tell you. Me a young generation leader. Is it? Me a new generation leader. I'm not for just recognize what I want. Is it? Yeah, man. You do it, man. You do it, people. Me I tell you that. You do it. If you follow some of them people, yeah, trust me. You know, me realizing a dancehall right now, dancehall is like a people when them rate you, only time when them kind of push up like that, when them rate you. You understand? That's the problem. So, right now, people, Alkaline sell out the Barclays. Is it? Sell out the Barclays. Trust me. Money make back on everything. You see me? Yeah, man. So, them just a wait. If you see what I go on, yeah, man. Also, them place have a wheelchair people, them. When you see them blue, you mostly like where wheelchair people, them there. That line, them two line, is it? Yeah, man. But people, you don't know. The artists are the great thing in a dancer. It's a good look for dancer, young gens, them as well. You understand? Yeah, man. So, it's a good look. Good look, people. You understand? Yeah, man. Every fan base supposed to support them artists all the time. All when them have the ups and downs and, you know, set a bring down and all of them look a thing there. People, remember this. One thing I learned from Alkaline. It no matter when nobody wants to say, them can't stop your glory. You understand? No matter the fight, them fight. You can't stop it. I tell you that, people. You think a joke thing. You see me? So, people, big up the Vendetta fans, them. Trust me. Yo, I don't know what Alkaline do no. But, yo, it shows some real loyal fans. Because the youth, not out there like that. You understand? And him fans, them just always support him. You see me? So it shows say, yo, the youth music, they're on a different level. If you have the fans like that. Is it? Yeah, man. But people, respect for the support, you know. And I don't know. I want me the Fox Money app. And some guy will recognize that. You see me? Yeah, man. Pick up on the sell people. That is it.